We're going to be finding any like rare horses on Blizzard Island. Let's get into it. We have 8 lassos, by the way. I am not spending them on all, just catching random horses. By the way, I will be fine. Is that an Akotaki? It's an Akotaki, guys. That's an Akotaki, alright. Oh. I don't know what personality it will be actually. Maybe a sassy? Maybe anything. Let's see. It's a spooky one. Nice. Oh, it's very slow. Let's cloudy. No, not slow. No. Cordonhorses are everywhere right now. Oh, there's nothing here. What a surprise. Let's reset. Oh my god. Now let's go to the other 2 spawns. Let's get that last water. Yeah. Is there normally? Yeah, there's a horse up there. Oh, my friend. Anyway, let's go check the last one. Let's go check the last horse. I wonder what it is. No, you can stay. Don't mind. Well, it's just an old Mustang. Well, anyway, bye.